Hello, I'm Benedict Cumberbatch. I'm here to show you the secret to making the perfect cup of tea. Now, the trick to making a truly perfect cup of tea is to coax out the tea's natural essence and subtle flavours by ever so gently vocalising your desire. You've got to make the tea feel comfortable at this point, so, help the tea let its hair down, let it relax, let it steep in your passion. That's it, darling. Take your time. There's no rush. It's just you and me. Here. Together. You're perfect. You're radiant. Must have you. And that's it.